I'm going to show you how you can add transitions between your clips in CapCut. So first of all, you want to put the two clips onto your timeline like this. And then if you go to transitions, you'll see all the transitions. Unfortunately, a lot of these are now premium features, but there's a few still good ones that are free. You can explore, but for this tutorial, we're going to use zoom swipe, and you just drag and drop it between the clips. If you go Control plus, you can then zoom in and adjust the duration of the effect. You can also adjust it over here. And then usually what I like to do is I like to add a sound effect below the transition. This is what it looks like currently. This is me doing pull-ups and me training Muay Thai in Thailand. So if you go to audio, sound effects, and I usually search for something like whoosh. And then if we go here, we can drag and drop it underneath the timeline. Usually it's a bit loud, so you can adjust the volume. And then I like to also do a little bit extra. I like to go to voice changer, voice filler, and make it slightly lower. You can adjust it as well, but let's zoom out and have a look at how this now looks. Thanks for watching. My name's Junius. If you want more CapCut tutorials like this one, check out one of these playlists here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.